Hello, good morning. So today's we have come up with vocabulary, idiom, thought, and one more thing which will be described in last of the video. So the first vocabulary of today to learn is attribute. Attribute meaning something characteristic or something a quality or a characteristic of something. So let's see its synonym. Synonym is ascribe, assign, and tenem for this word is deny, disconnect. And the use of this word attribute in a sentence is what he attributes to his success. The interview asked what I consider my best attribute. Or one more sentence which is related to first one is that he described hard work as an attribute of his success. So this was the first vocabulary. Let's see second vocabulary. Today we will do two vocabularies. So the second vocabulary is gratify. Gratify means to bribe, to give someone pleasure or satisfaction. So let's see its use in sentence. So gratify meaning is easy, or attribute meaning in Hindi was गुण और विशेषता you got from the sentence. So the meaning of gratify in Hindi is घूस देना, and the use of gratify is like when he see his wife wearing jewels, it gratified him. And second one is his only concern is to gratify his own desires. So the idiom for today is hang in there. Meaning of hang in there is to be persistent, don't give up, never give up, or to continue something after so much of difficulties. So the meaning you got clear. The use of this idiom is like that: hang in there, wait, the police will find out who did this. Hang in there, one day you will achieve something big. So this was the idiom used in sentence. So the thing I was saying that in last of the video was preposition in a English grammar. So the main thing or the parts of speech, there is preposition. So preposition is very useful words. So what is preposition? Preposition is a group of words or words which describes, which shows. It is used before noun or pronoun to show the direction, place, time, direction, place, time, and its relation, spatial relation, or introduce an object. Example: in, on, it, by, of, So the preposition is like that, a word or group of words used before noun or pronoun or group of phrase. So describes the relationship, direction, place, location, time, and describe or introduce a object to see the relationship. So the examples of prepositions are on, in, at, of. These are the examples. So by evening you will get the video on preposition to learn English. Thank you so much. Share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe. Preposition is a word or group of words used before noun or pronoun to describe, to qualify, to tell, to show direction, place or time, location, and to describe or introduce an object. To introduce a object is called preposition. It is used before noun or pronoun, and it describes or gives relationship, spatial relationship, and it shows. Today's thought or quote is: the secret of success is constancy, meaning bhakti or the worship of something, constancy of purpose. The secret of success is constancy of purpose, written by Bacon.